In the previous video, we created this 7 long straight beam, and in this one, we're just going to modify this so it's only 5 long. So as with the previous video, first we're going to save this as a copy. Open this 7 long beam and then go to File, Save As. We want to choose Save as Copy and Open. Let's change the name from beam 7 long to beam 5 long and press Save. So now we just have to make this part a little bit shorter. So as usual, I'm going to go back to the design tree. I'm going to drag up to that first feature and I'm going to edit the underlying sketch on that first beam feature. I'm going to click on the number of instances here where it says 7 and I'm going to change that from 7 down to 5 and press OK. If you can't see that 7 anyway, you can just click on one of the circles. And then here on the left, you can right click on the patterned relation and you can press Edit Pattern. And then we can change it from 7 down to 5 there and press OK. So now we only have 5 holes and we've also lost the relation on this right hand side of the slot. So I'm going to grab that center point on the right and I'm going to drag it in so it's concentric with that right hand circle. Then let's exit the sketch and you can see we now have a beam that's 5 long. Next we can drag down below the next feature, the hole surround. Let's edit the sketch that makes up this feature and let's just delete those 2 extra holes on the right. If you find that your sketch turns blue and becomes underdefined, you might just need to add some more dimensions in there. Let's exit the sketch and we've now got that hole surround on those 5 holes. We can then drag down below the next feature, the cavity cut. Again, let's edit the sketch which is underneath the feature. And then let's delete those extra 2 circles on the right and exit the sketch. If you find that your cavity cut now isn't made correctly like this, you can edit the cavity cut feature. You can then clear all of the items under the selected contours and then just reselect those cavities in the middle. Then drag down again for the fillets. Again, let's edit the feature and let's remove any missing edges there. Then press OK and that's all looking good. So we can drag down below the final feature, the mirror, and we can see that we've correctly mirrored the items onto both sides. So this was a very quick part. The final thing we have to do is just change the color to a white. So open the Appearance Scenes and Decals tab and choose a white color. Then you can save the part, and in the next video we'll be adding these 2 new parts to stage 4.